Well, if everyone else gets vaccinated, they will be kept safe. You will not be safe.
That pointed warning from Prime Minister Justin Trudeau aimed at people who are hoping to be protected by herd immunity instead of a vaccine. Canada's vaccination rate was on a steady climb, but the summer has seen a steep slide in daily doses administered per 100 people. It's why politicians are prodding Canadians to get jabbed.
Different provinces are looking at incentive programs. We're certainly working with the provinces on documentation to facilitate international travel, as more and more countries, like Canada has just done, is going to open only to fully vaccinated travelers.
Trudeau warns the Delta variant is still circulating, and the majority of new cases are among the unvaccinated.
Walk-in Wednesday, and on that day we will open all our clinics to just walk-in capacity.
BC is waiving appointments for one day next week as the province ramps up its immunization campaign while case counts rise. But health experts say governments still have some work to do in fighting the misinformation online and convincing the roughly 20% of Canadians who are still not vaccinated.
Treat people who have questions in a serious manner. This is not the time for shaming and blaming or finger pointing. That does nothing but further polarize the situation.
The next step after persuasion could be coercion, following in the footsteps of France, which will deny access to indoor venues if you are not vaccinated. It's an approach Quebec has hinted it could use if another lockdown is necessary.
And it may get people out to a certain demographic to get vaccinated. As a way to mitigate the risk and to really just not deal with the inconvenience of not going there.
BC Health Minister Adrian Dix reminded residents about the measles outbreak 2 years ago, saying children who weren't protected against that disease weren't allowed back to school. Warning, in this pandemic, there are consequences to not being vaccinated. Donna?
All right, Mike Le Couteur in Ottawa, thanks.